In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in Wayfair 2025 step by step. Let's make this quick and straightforward so you can get into your account without any hiccups. You can follow along on either the Wayfair website or the Wayfair mobile app. The steps are essentially the same. Before we start, make sure you have a reliable internet connection and that you're using an up-to-date browser or the latest version of the app. If you're on the web, it's a good idea to go directly to the official site by typing the address into your browser to avoid lookalike pages. Begin by navigating to the Wayfair website or opening the Wayfair app. Once it loads, look to the top right corner of the page on desktop or the profile icon in the app. You're looking for the account or sign in option. It often appears as a small person silhouette or the word account. Tap or click that to bring up the sign in screen. On the sign in page, you'll see an email field first. Type the email address associated with your Wayfair account. This should be the same email you used when you created your account or placed past orders. Take a moment to check for common typos, missing letters, extra spaces, or a wrong domain like .con instead of .com. If your device autofills your email, glance at it to confirm it's the right one. Next, enter your password in the password field. Passwords are case sensitive, so make sure caps lock isn't turned on by accident and double check any special characters. Many sign-in screens have a small eye icon that lets you temporarily show the characters you typed. If you see that, you can use it to quickly confirm everything looks correct before proceeding. When both fields are filled in, click or tap the sign in button. If the button looks disabled, it usually means one of the fields is empty or has an invalid format. Go back and verify your email and password entries. After you press sign in, give it a second to process. You should be taken to your account area where you can view orders, saved items, and account settings. If you encounter an error message, the most common causes are a mistyped email, an incorrect password, or an outdated app or browser. Re-enter your details carefully and try again. Also, avoid using public or shared devices for account access. And remember to sign out when you're done on a device that isn't yours. And that's it. You've successfully signed into Wayfair. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.